Hello everyone, I'm Shinji, a YouTuber based here in Chiang Mai. When you're editing videos, you end up spending most of your days sitting in a chair, right? Back in Japan, I was actually a bit of a chair enthusiast. I used a high-end Okamura chair that cost me over $700, 100,000 yen. But today, I'm gonna tell you why I switched to a chair that cost me only $130, 20,000 yen here in Chiang Mai, and why I couldn't be happier with the decision. Actually, before this, I bought a gaming chair at Home Pro, and let me tell you, it was a total disaster. Maybe it was the intense Thai heat, but the synthetic leather started peeling off and crumbling everywhere. Worst of all, the seat got so sweaty and stuffy that I just couldn't take it anymore. I truly learned the hard way that you get what you pay for. If you're looking for a chair in Chiang Mai, choosing the right shop is everything. For general furniture or DIY projects, Home Pro is the go-to spot. But if you're specifically looking for a proper office chair, I highly recommend OFM. OFM is actually operated by the Central Group, Thailand's largest retail conglomerate. You can think of it as a physical store version of Oschool in Japan. Because it's backed by such a major player, they offer exceptional expertise in office furniture, reliable after-sales service, and professional delivery. That's what sets them apart. There are three main reasons why I chose this 4,990 THB chair at OFM. First, being able to try it out in person at a physical store. To avoid another online shopping fail, test sitting is an absolute must, especially when it's an investment in your health. Second, the mesh material, which is perfect for the Thai climate. The breathability is amazing. Even during long hours of video editing, I don't feel sweaty or stuffy at all. Third, incredible value for the money. As someone who knows the quality of a high-end Okamura chair, I was honestly shocked to find this level of quality for just a little over $130. It's an absolute steal. Just a heads up, the location of the OFM store in Central Festival is a bit unique. Naturally, you might look for it on the upper furniture floors, but it's actually tucked away on the B1G floor. It's located deep in the back, past the Central Food Hall, the high-end supermarket, so be careful not to get lost. In conclusion, if you're doing long hours of work in Chiang Mai, an office chair is your only real choice. In this Thai heat, make sure to choose a mesh material and always test the comfort at a physical store before you buy. Investing in the right chair is an investment in your health and your productivity. I hope you find this helpful.